Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to send a marketing email on Hubspot. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply create your marketing email, and after that what you're gonna have to do is simply click on send or schedule, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose to who you want to send this. You're gonna have to simply enter their email address. Now here you have the option to don't send it to, and here you can select to who you don't want to send this email, and as you can see here you're gonna have the option to send now or schedule for later. And if you want, you can even send a test email. So after you choose to who you want to send the email, you're gonna have to click on actions and then simply click on send now, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.